Hey, it's Frank here, Pasadena Pawn and Gun. I've got another neat piece here. It's Pasadena Auto Mag. This was Clint Eastwood's #2 gun. If you remember the movie Sudden Impact, and they were trying to kill some girl or something. They were up on the balcony. When he came out, he had this. He shot the guy off the balcony, and the guy fell on the unicorn.
Come on. Make my day.
That's not a bad idea, is it?
It was a good movie. Sudden Impact. This is a Pasadena Auto Mag. It's rare. They made a few of them, but this is the Pasadena Auto Mag. If you watch the movie, you'll see where Clint Eastwood talks about this can even remove the fingerprints. It's a very powerful gun.
Well, this is the .44 Magnum Auto Mag, and it holds a 300 grain cartridge, and if properly used, it can remove the fingerprints.
This is the Baby Auto Mag in .22 long rifle. It was only 1 of 1,000. A guy here, Harry Lawson, made this and presented it to Clint Eastwood. Come down Pasadena, Pawn and Gun, check it out. It's very rare. Baby Auto Mag.